Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what ports and adapters you actually have. The MacBook Air M2 only natively supports one external display, so you rely on USB-C docks or display link adapters. Once done, choose between a powered dual HDMI/DP dock, two separate USB-C to HDMI adapters with display link, or a single adapter plus a powered hub. Make sure you have quality cables and keep the MacBook powered. This reduces bandwidth and power issues while you continue to connect the displays. Now connect the hardware in order. Plug the dock or first adapter into a MacBook USB-C port and attach its power. Docks need power to run multiple displays reliably. Next, connect display 1 to the appropriate HDMI or DisplayPort output and set the monitor to that input. Then connect display 2 to the dock's second output or to a second adapter on the other USB-C port. Make sure cables are snug and avoid cheap splitters. Quality matters for signal stability. Finally, configure displays in System Settings right arrow displays. Arrange their positions, pick resolutions and refresh rates, and set scaling if text looks off. If you used a Display Link solution, install the latest Display Link driver and reboot. This step is often required for multiple monitors. If a display doesn't appear, swap cables, try the other USB-C port, and ensure the dock has external power. One key tip: update Mac OS and the adapter firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.